Alright, I'm making this video so you can fix your machine. Now, I've got the bottom loose because I use 10 millimeter here, here, and here. There's 3 bolts. They're 10 millimeter. They're on the underside here. You need to loosen them up. Alright, let's see what we're working with. Alright, so when your needle goes down, I'm going to go ahead and break mine just like yours is. Alright, so I can show you the problems. When your needle goes down, okay, you should put your finger underneath and you should just barely feel the tip when it's in the absolute down position. See where it goes the farthest down? You should be able to feel the fingertip, or you should be able to feel the needle point on your finger. So alright, you see that screw right there? That is what you need to loosen up. I'm going to have to move you. And everything falls, of course. So, loosen this up. And where it's at the absolute down position, lower the needle until it's just barely making contact with your finger. I mean, you should be able to run this, have your finger there, and not draw blood. Alright, so once it's at that level, make sure you've got the needle arranged correctly, and I'll go over that in a second. Tighten that down. Now your needle is correct. Okay, so on this needle here, on one side there's a channel, and the other side there's that little cutout right there. That's your bobbin side, the cutout. The channel side, that goes towards the outside of the machine. So you want to make sure when you tighten this down that it's all arranged to where the needle's set up correctly. Alright. So now we got that set. Let's bring the needle back up. Bring the presser foot back up. Now, when the bobbin goes back, it needs to clear this channel. Not much farther than that. Okay? Just needs to clear the channel. Then, when it comes across, it needs to make contact with that cutout in the needle. So that's why we've got these bolts loose. With the needle down, we're going to move the bobbin over, center the needle, and then tighten down those 10 millimeter bolts. You understand that? When the bobbin is right up pushed into that little cutout of the needle and centered in the hole, you want to tighten the 10 millimeter bolts. I don't know how I can make that any clearer. Alright, now test it. And it should do something like that. Now, if I've done this right, I should be able to get this thread through the hole, bring it down, pull it in towards the machine. Alright? Then the bobbin thread, pull that, it comes up through the hole. Keep tension on the bobbin thread, come through the hole. Now, if I've set this up right, should be able to lock that down. Alright, so pull on this, then get some thread. There you go. Your machine should be set up now.